What if you could get the sellers to beg you to list their property? Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, of course I'm in the sun, in the crazy sun this time of day, but I've been busy today. Listen, I wanted to talk about the number one enemy of a real estate agent. It's probably not what you think. I talk to a lot of real estate agents that think, competition's tough, they can't get their marketing to work, that type of thing. You know the number one enemy for real estate agents? Obscurity. It's not that you're getting beat by the competition. You're not competing at all. So the biggest enemy that every single real estate agent fights is obscurity, which means nobody knows who you are. In your marketplace, other than your friends, family, past clients, that type of thing, in your marketplace, nobody knows who you are. If you can beat that part of it, if you can beat obscurity, if you can get your message out there, you'll start to get a lot more closings for yourself. A lot of the agents that I work with, I coach agents all over the country, and most generally, when I put some very simple approaches in place for them, they're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe how well it's working. Well, what do you mean? Like, we're getting in front of motivated prospects. It's people that need to buy and sell right now, and we have a good offer for them. This is not magic. We're just beating obscurity. We're not sitting at home hoping that someone calls you, because you know who's going to call you? Friends, family, and past clients. That's why that's probably where most of your business comes from. That's not something to be proud of. It's just that's all the people that know you. So if you can beat obscurity by getting in front of motivated prospects, I'll give you a quick example. So I'm dealing with right now, we got a whole bunch of agents going through a 45-day hustle. That's where I'm working with them for 45 days. The first thing that we did is we had for sale by owners calling them saying, hey, I want you to list my house. Okay, now this is not us pursuing them and saying, hey, you're not going to sell your home on your own. You need a real estate agent. It's never going to work the way you're doing. That doesn't work, and that's contentious. That causes pressure. What if you could get the sellers to beg you to list their property? So we started doing that the very first week. Almost every single agent was able to get at least one listing. And they're like, holy crap, I can't believe this works. Why is this surprising for you? You know how many you got last week? None, because you weren't doing that. You didn't have a good offer in front of a motivated prospect. So the number one enemy for every single real estate agent in America is they have to fight obscurity. Those that beat obscurity the best are able to do the best job in making money. So, myself, I do a ton of referrals with real estate agents all over the country. We do a significant amount of revenue. I'm actually here right now. We're buying another racehorse. Many of you know I've got several racehorses, several dozen racehorses. Actually, my truck and trailer is here right now. I don't know if you can see that or not. But we are buying another racehorse today, because why? Last month was a tremendous, damn near six-figure income from running simple ads and beating obscurity. Now, I do it with other real estate agents, right? So they can make the money from it. But what you have to do is start thinking about, why I'm not making money in my marketplace? Because nobody knows who I am. The only people that know who I am is past clients, sphere of influence, friends, family, that type of thing. And that's where I'm getting all my business from. So let's say that's $90,000 a year for you. Okay, great. Congratulations. But it'll never be $300,000. It will always be about $90,000. And that's why every single year you do about the same amount of money. You know what you need to do now? Add another leg to your business. That one brings in $90,000. This system brings in $120,000. This system brings in $70,000. And this one here that I'm doing is $100,000 a year. Now you have a multi-pronged approach so that you start making a lot more money for yourself. This is the approach I want you to think about in growing your business and beating obscurity. If you get a good message out to the right market, the people that are motivated and ready to go right now, buyers and sellers, you can very easily beat obscurity. And we already know if we get you in front of them, you're going to get the deal. Right? So I want you to start focusing on that. If you need help with it, reach out to me. Send me a direct message here, inbox me and let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. We've got a lot of agents that have beat obscurity and instantly turn on their business. Like turning on a light switch, it turns on. It doesn't take time. And listen to me, it does not take money. You do not need money to make money in this business. There's free marketing that you can use. So why would you waste a bunch of money? I find an awful lot of agents that say, man, if I just had $5,000 where I could do this, I'd be able to make it in this business. What happened to the last $20,000, $50,000 you wasted on all that crap? Now all you're missing is $5,000? Bad idea. You can beat obscurity with free marketing. So I want you to do that. If I can help you with it in any way, let me know. If you are looking for assistance, reach out. You can't help somebody until they're ready to be helped. I'd love to help you out. So anyway, get known in your marketplace. Take market share. It's not going to be earned. It's going to be taken. Take market share so that people know who in the heck you are. If I can help you, let me know. Otherwise, get your butt out there and sell some houses. I'm going to go watch some horse races. Let's talk soon. Bye-bye. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.